Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The global labor shortage is making it difficult for airlines to service routes including Jamaica. Senior strategist in the tourism ministry, Delano Seawright, says while Jamaica is expecting strong demand for the summer, this may be affected by an inability of various airlines to adequately service some routes.
Many airlines are unable they do not have enough pilots, they do not have enough flight attendants, they do not have enough critical staff to increase or to keep up with the demand for travel. The other issue, of course, is higher ticket prices, which is a huge challenge. Ticket prices are high coming into the Caribbean. As a matter of fact, some prices coming into the Caribbean, even Jamaica, is higher than flying into the UK or France or Italy from the United States, and that's presenting some challenges.
Meanwhile, U.S. low-cost carrier Jetblue will be increasing its service to Jamaica this year. The airline announced today that as of July, it will offer 40% more seats to the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay when compared to pre-COVID-19, that's 2019. Now, the tourism ministry says demand for flights to Jamaica has been strong, especially from source markets such as the U.S.
Travel partners here in the United States have confirmed a very strong travel demand for Jamaica. One of the leading tour operators noted that Jamaica is at the top in terms of interest from U.S. travelers who are going to the Caribbean for vacation.
Now on to some company news. Fosrich is to present to shareholders at its upcoming annual general meeting resolutions to allow for either a stock split, rights issue, and/or an additional public offer. The board has agreed for the company's authorized share capital to be increased from 513 million shares to 15 billion. Now, shareholders are to also consider if each of the issued ordinary shares in Fosrich be subdivided into 10 ordinary shares with effect from the close of business on July 6. That decision would result in the total issued ordinary shares of the company being increased to 5 billion ordinary shares. A resolution will also be laid for consideration to allow Fosrich to issue up to 126 million ordinary shares by way of a rights issue to existing shareholders or an offer for a subscription to the public. Now on to today's currency trading. The US dollar is being sold for an average $155.38. $121.35 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $194.04 for the pound, while the euro is trading for an average $164.94. The JSE index declined by 256 points today, while the junior market index declined by 33 points. Among today's winners were 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Jamaica Public Service Company JPS 9.5% shares, Cygnus Real Estate Finance Jamaican Dollar shares, Productive Business Solutions 9.75% Cumulative Redeemable Preference shares, and JMB Group 7.25% shares. While on the losing side were ISP Finance Services, KLE Group, Margaritaville Turks, Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited, and Spur Tree Spices Jamaica. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.